Candace here that came in for the Details R Certified Detailer Licensee training this weekend. She came all the way from
Pottstown?
Pottstown, Pennsylvania, which is a great town for classic cars.
Yeah.
Love it. So what did you think of the business training?
I thought it was great. I learned a lot of techniques and all the different products.
Well, the business training we did
Oh,
on Friday.
I learned how to do advertising with Facebook and the Urable CRM tool.
Yeah, a lot of good stuff.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you think that'll help you start your business?
Oh, yeah.
The information?
Absolutely.
What about the exterior training yesterday? Paint correction, polishing, ceramic coating, engine detailing?
I learned a lot. I learned about how to correct the paint correction, and I learned how to do the ceramic coating.
So you think
well.
that's going to make you some money?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So it definitely helped put you in the fast lane.
Yeah.
Excellent. Perfect. And what about today's training, the interior detailing and the headlight restoration?
How to clean the seat belts. The tool for the seat
Yeah,
belt.
the blue gator brush. Yeah, that's a pretty cool tool, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it worked really good.
Excellent. You used the extractor too.
Yes, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, I've used those before.
Gotcha.
But yeah, it was
Gotcha.
great. Yeah,
So
I
you
learned a lot.
felt you got your money's worth?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Excellent. Well, you're a great student. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Thank
Thank you.